Hi friends, now torso stretch, hold on recovery exercise. First stay on torso here and take this recovery position from the left side and left leg straight and right leg 45-degree angles and your body inside of the left leg being this here to the knee and press slowly. And another here to press, fully press, minimum 15 seconds, maximum 30 seconds. And I'm fixed. Don't take a buffering, fixed, fast, not more. Take this position, minimum 15 seconds, maximum 13 seconds. Change the position now. Here, same position and take this. So in this way you can remove your fatigue. So try to do this hold on or recovery exercise and make a good health.